Wow, what an amazing day. What a crazy 24 hours. Well, this morning I was in Africa. And then I went to Asia. And now I'm in Europe. All in one day. And this is crazy. So snorkeling in the Red Sea, and I'll be going swimming in the Black Sea. The Black Sea is right down there. You can see parts of it, see the boat and stuff. Whew. Wow, what an adventure. Just walking down to my hostel, trying to drop off my clothes and try to take a dip in the Black Sea before it gets dark here. But the sun's about to set, and right down here by the this is the Galata, I think the Galata Tower, and this is actually like a 14th century tower that was also a prison. You can get up there and overlook everything at sunset. Yeah, there it is, 1453. Man, the line is crazy to go up there. I'm sure it's a beautiful view, but I suppose they have a rooftop at the $10 hostel I'm staying at. See what kind of view we get there. Okay, in the hostel, here's my bed, number 2. Look at like these things stacked up. Ceiling's pretty cool and rustic. Packed room here. $10 a day, can't complain. Let's head up on the top roof and see what that looks like. Wow. What a view.
همون یادگار مرد کینه دار مستی یا هوشیار خوابی یا بیدار